Stop using basic English. These 5 idioms will make you sound like a pro. First, break the ice, meaning start a conversation, begin a conversation. Sinu, start talking, initiate conversation, open up. Example, I told a joke to break the ice. Second, hit the nail on the head, meaning say something exactly right. Sino, be accurate, say correctly, pinpoint. Example, you hit the nail on the head. And the third one is piece of cake, meaning very easy. Sino, easy, effortless, simple. Example, this taste was a piece of cake. Fourth, under the weather, meaning feeling sick. Sino, unwell, ill, not feeling good. Example, I am feeling under the weather today. And fifth, spill the beans, meaning reveal a secret. Sino, reveal, disclose, expose. Example, don't spill the beans. And other idioms of spill the beans is the cat out of bag. Use this daily and watch your English improve fast. Follow for more simple learning videos. Thank you.